Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to go over this fantastic resource. I made this. I'm just showing it off. Get ready. I love it. But it is mine and something that I made. But that's what makes it good. Anyway, Systems Capital. This is my website. I'm sure that there are links somewhere about it, and this is it. This is the homepage. This is a comprehensive data platform. In my opinion, it's one of the best. It's got a lot of things that many of the other things don't have, and so I'm gonna share them with you today. So just enjoy, I guess. We're here on the front page, where we can look up like Apple or something, whatever ticker you want, U.S. market, U.S. equities, and so we're going over to the Apple page, and right here, right away, ooh, let me cancel all those out. Right away, you see the price and everything, which, yeah, whatever, who cares? There's something on here, even this, that I like that no one else really does, is that you can look at the price from, last year. Let's check out this week last year. And that is just going to be the price range we're going to look at. And oh, there we go. This is what the price did this time last year. And even that isn't something that is really all that common that you can find. Now, the bigger, more important thing are all these different calculations down here that I've done. So, as you might know, I'm an analyst. Um, and I've done all these calculations. And what we can do is, let's get an idea of kurtosis. Okay, just over the week that we're looking at, let's just look at the period of kurtosis. We've got 1.5%, and that's just given the whole thing. However, let's take a look at something else. Let's look at what the 1 year trailing kurtosis looks like, and instead of just this week, let's look at the previous year. So from today, this is it. This is the price. And this is the kurtosis, the 1 year trailing kurtosis every day over the past year. Which you look at this and it's a big old table, and you're like, oh, you've got the data there, so that's good. You can download it as a CSV, and that's nice. But also, you can come up here and take a look at this kurtosis graph, and you can see that Apple's kurtosis was pretty high and then dropped really suddenly. And so that is saying that they're having less outlier events. Now, you might not know what kurtosis is, and that's okay. We'll get to it. But I just wanted to show you this. And not only that, but we can look at, like, standard deviation. What is the 3 month trailing standard deviation? And we can even pull it up here. Boom. Okay, so we're seeing that standard deviation is declining over time recently. So that's all really interesting. Up here we've got one Apple Park, we've got the industry, a whole bunch of other stuff. I'll be updating some more things right here. Gives you the annualized return, which is, you know, so that's all good. Let's get back to it. There's all these different things. There's average return, standard deviation, median, mode, min return, max return, skewness, kurtosis, annualized return, etc., etc. You might not know what that is. That's okay. We head back home. We have all this research that I've been publishing as well. I'm doing about once a week all these free articles, so feel free to go take a look. But let's take a look at the market statistics guide today, where this is going to go over all these different terms: the average daily return, the standard deviation, the median return, the mode return, the max, and the kurtosis and the skewness and everything like that. So you can see right here that a high kurtosis, leptokurtic kurtosis, whatever, have fat tails is what people call it, and means that, well, there's a higher likelihood that these outlier events, say like a 20% return in one day, is going to happen with higher kurtosis, while minimum kurtosis, a low kurtosis, has a lot more uh, of their values centered in the center. Said kind of weird, but concentrated in the center. But there's virtually no chance that it's gonna have such a high day or such a low day. So you can see with response to Apple, a high kurtosis, which we've got that all set up right now. A strange. A high kurtosis means that there might be higher one day swings than otherwise. While a low kurtosis means that it is not having big one day swings. And that's actually kind of what we're seeing with Apple, is that their one day returns are not really swinging too high. And then we can even look at this, and between any one two data points, then it's not like super steep, relatively speaking. So yeah, I've just been building that. I know I haven't really made a video in a while, and I want to make more, but I've been focused on this, and I want to build. I want to make out an API for this. Make out. What am I even saying? I want to make out with an API. Ew. Um, Forget what I'm saying. I want to build out an API for this, so that I can access it through different scripts and that sort of thing, and I can play around with it a little bit more rather than just on the web. Um, but I'm working to make it better. And if you want to go use this, that's what it's for. Go do it. It's totally free to use. There's 10,000 credits available for free use if you sign up, and it's like 2,000 for free, just anonymously. So go use it. That's what it's for. And I'll continue trying to make these videos once a month, and hopefully eventually more and more detail and that sort of thing. But as of right now, things are a little bit focused on just building out this website and this data product, because we've got more coming down the pipeline. It's not just price data. Right now it is, but I've got earnings data and Federal Reserve data on the horizon, as well as quite a bit of other things. So keep an eye out for that. So go check it out. Systemscapital.net. 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 Go check it out. It's daily U.S. market data and premium investment analysis. So I will see you in the next video, and take care. Bye-bye.